this is practicing our jumping, okay? So I'm going to count different steps. So when I say 1, ouch. Get ready. When I say 3, jump. Just like a rocket. Do you think you can do that? When I say 1, crouch down, 2, 3. Jump. Just like that. Oh, it's brilliant. 1, crouch down, 2, 3. And again, ready? 1, 2, 3. Again, one more time.